Paraguay has some of Latin America's worst pedestrian infrastructure. Many areas have no sidewalks at all, as it is left to property owners to build them, resulting in a patchwork of haphazard construction, with wildly different materials, heights and quality, and of course many don't build any at all. Even nice neighbourhoods may have patchwork, limited or no sidewalks. The result is what some residents rightly call a disaster. And too bad if you have any sort of mobility issues. Paraguay is not the place for you if that is the case. It truly is dangerous if you are not able-bodied. There are very few ramps or inclusive designs, stairs are everywhere, while steep steps, holes and treacherous terrain to trip you is everywhere. In many areas it looks like half the population took a sledgehammer to the pavements, because how else did they get that bad? You really have to see it to believe it, because it is almost impossible to comprehend when you first set eyes on it. According to AI, Paraguay's sidewalks are so poorly maintained due to a combination of structural governance failures, poverty, corruption, and a flawed responsibility system. But how did they get so bad? Evidently, the damage is that extreme because of a perfect storm of neglect, poor materials, heavy rain, and systemic failure that makes sidewalks look like sledgehammers destroyed them. Water damage is the #1 destroyer. The heavy seasonal rainfall overwhelms drainage, creating deep, muddy ditches and channels that carve through surfaces. Broken pipes also cause water to pool everywhere, weakening pavement and creating hazards without proper stormwater drainage. Runoff erodes and fractures sidewalks rapidly. Once a sidewalk starts cracking, no one repairs it because property owners aren't motivated or can't afford it. So small cracks become large potholes from continued water damage and foot vehicle traffic, and the damage compounds exponentially over years. Many sidewalks are built with cheap, substandard concrete or stone that breaks easily, and residents park cars on the sidewalks which can crush them. Buses and trucks on occasion mount the curbs, breaking the edges. Paraguay's poverty means no resources for proper infrastructure, and rapid urban growth happened without proper planning. The result, sidewalks that look smashed but aren't from deliberate destruction. They are from years of water erosion, zero repairs, bad materials, and complete neglect until they collapse into the rubble you see today. It is destruction from poor construction and neglect, not the active demolition by sledgehammers that it looks like. So if you were wondering like me how on earth they got so bad, there is your answer.